tap up the screen and send some help, Uncle Derrick. Please and thanks. Please and thanks. This is getting serious now. Serious now. Tap up the scream, guy. Tap up the scream. Tap up the scream, guy. Tap up the scream. Tap up the scream. Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. I'm at Shop Your Live. Me at Shop Your Live. Yeah, me at Shop My Live. My life in danger rush now. My life in danger rush now. They might put out my address. They might put out. Tap up the scream, guy. Tap up the scream, guy. Tap up the scream. Tap up the scream. My life in danger rush. Rosalie. Hold on, look a bit. Come off for this, Macadam, in our class. Come off for this. Come off for this. I want to leave the woman alone. I want to tell you nobody will get so. Come off for this. This is not a time for in argument with people. Me just want to come for my life. Me want to come for my life. No. Derrick, oh. Come on for this. Come on for this. Me no man no come here, so come on for this.
Let me say I feel life in danger, so I want Well, what, Uncle?
Me there look some help. Me there look some help. Some serious help now. Some serious help. Find something for it now because.
Good afternoon.
What,
Yeah.
Uncle?
Yeah, me there. Me want some serious help there if you left the place and now because everybody, the girl has sent out information without me there. Yeah, me like not dangerous right now. Me help me right now. Yeah.
Derrick. So what you're saying, is it true? People putting out your address for people to
the
contact you?
girl, she come here already with me. Drop in a cab, come and give me. Find out she put it out, tell everybody about it. Yeah. But
So
when
hold
nobody
on.
can come.
Okay,
But when
so
nobody can
alright.
come. Yeah.
So me I go do it.
Cause look on Rosalie people. Look on Rosalie. Rosalie follow for TikTok. Rosalie follow for TikTok. And Rosalie one company, they build her back up. Build her back up. I follow her them.
And that are gonna happen. Who's Rosalie?
One big fat mampy.
Alright, so alright.
No, she ever depend on TikTok. She ever depend on TikTok and rank. But she follow for the rank, you know. And she pick up back. Yeah. People go with news to her and she don't know nothing. She slump on her life and her skin her teeth. And the same people she bring down. And them have her on the back. She have to bring me down. But me now look. Me now
Alright.
look. Give Derrick right now. Because Derrick needs to get somewhere urgent. Because I don't want nobody hurt me. So because them have send people for me. Yeah. Me a beg you. No, come on guys. Come on guys.
Send some
guys.
supplies.
Come on, can I send some give you please and thanks. Please and thanks.
Yeah, but Derrick, just pray. Pray and trust
Yeah,
God.
me a pray, darling. Me a
Keep
pray.
on praying. Keep on praying.
Hey, guy, are you feel left man alone? Come on for this. Come on for this now. Come on for this.
Alright, Derrick, don't answer back. If you can avoid answering back, avoid, please. Don't give in to people and their negativity. And before you answer back, block them.
But yeah, I go
Hey, Truth, how you doing? You mute.
Hey, I'm doing good. How are you?
Me there here, you know, I check.
box and I bring me down. And she has skin at it. And she had the same one try to bring on people. Rosalie get off. Rosalie get flap off her
Thank you,
TikTok.
Top Girl, for helping
Thank you.
Derrick. Yeah, she is my friend. You
Rosalie
see,
get
we
flap
have
off her
good people
TikTok.
out here, man.
Rosalie get clap off. I get flap off her TikTok. So Rosalie go to Brittany. They play a match with Brittany, and she done and bring on Brittany and talk about oh Brittany this and Brittany that. And when Nikki Semazi gave her the lion, she sent it back to her, and that's why I don't forget she. That's the talk. I'm from she play a match with Rosalie.
Yes.
Top girl.
Thank you, them wicked against Derrick Morgan.
Appreciate your top
Every
girl.
time when you anybody, friend, it's anytime when you anybody have a eat, everybody group up, we come for you. Everybody group up, we come for you. Everybody have a group, we come for you. Yeah. Yeah, they come. They come out to you. They come for you. Rosalie an old person. Nobody know Rosalie for nothing. We know Rosalie. We know Rosalie for Rosalie has sell peanut at town. Peanut.
It seems like I've got all Rosalie and give her a proper beating if she leave her alone.
Yeah, to join the people. Join the people. Make the people them hear story and then run a story. And the next girl, her name Pepper.
Black such man. Whosoever is doing the blacking, go black such man, please.
Scream guy, if anybody, everybody on their life, on a help out there can run some gift to Derrick Morgan because they might come off of them like a beast. Me no care. Me no care. Scream guy, talk about scream. If
Show
them
your appreciation by sending some gift support him.
yeah, come. Maka.
Thank you, Lady Glock.
Thank you, lady.
Done. Yesterday, people were telling me say, me had the screenshot with Casey. Casey jumped on the people in box. I bring me and then after she come off of the box, Casey run for my life last night. You did for my life.
No,
my friend
I wasn't
And
really
the
like
same
that
thing you
much.
talk about Girly Brown them to Derrick, told them I bring you down.
Yeah, me thank you in the back with Girly Brown. And them same one don't say Girly Brown a troublemaker. You know that Girly Brown a troublemaker. Each time Girly Brown come from my life, she may be a problem. Big problem.
Yes.
And everybody will come to agree and know that Girly Brown is a problem.
She is a problem for you.
Missy Pooh, it's a girl named Missy Pooh. Missy Pooh tell me, he say,
Macadam is here.
yeah. Missy Pooh tell me, say,
Good afternoon.
we make,
Good afternoon. Hey,
Afternoon,
Maka.
Maka. Somebody
Tell
say
Maka.
you should check your cash app, Derrick.
no, the cash.
Hey, Maka, I did send the stuff in the group. Me never get to tell you yet.
Oh, the vibes. Okay.
Yeah, so because
Cash app and the cash app is empty.
I let she tell me, not look on she. Me tell you about Girly Brown. Girly Brown is a troublemaker. Girly Brown is a troublemaker. Me I tell you. A Girly Brown started.
Alright, send me a receipt of what you sent to him in the cash app. Send me the receipt.
Girly Brown is a troublemaker. Girly Brown started with Missy Pooh, and Missy Pooh said to me, say,
So everybody all right over here?
Yes, we are.
Everybody a brain, my boy. Diamond, wow. Man, everything good over here? Without, good over
Yeah,
here?
we good.
Everything great. That was lies and clouds.
Oh.
Everything is great.
All right, Uncle, big up yourself. Make the out of your head, my boy.
you got party Friday?
Yeah, come.
No.
Okay, but just send the receipt over and don't put it here. One less thing to give
Come
to
on, listen to them,
people,
then send the
please.
money. I lie them a
Thank
problem
you.
for the stay.
Me know.
Derrick, we are go, we have cabana. What do you? We act.
Me know. Rosalie, give me
Yeah, true.
Give me
Go,
L.
go and go on with Diamond, Derrick. Yeah. Link up with Diamond and go.
Derrick, we are go. What do your business with them? Derrick, and they want mash up your maca. Come and run, come and say no man, I want maca. And Derrick mash up. It's for nice.
Them a look for Diamond.
You know what? I saw in the comment where somebody said something about Derrick Maka.
Yeah, everybody run with it. I
Yeah,
was
come
like,
here,
Hold on,
yeah,
guys.
everything that them say, maca and Derrick follow. So we run, we go look. Come here, say,
Follow. So hold on. If
Only thing
Derrick,
Maka and
okay.
Derrick do is hot. We hot right now. Hot.
why?
So if Derrick and Maka have a fallout, it's nobody business. Derrick and Maka is gonna make back up. It's nobody business.
No, that I don't know.
They need to stop. They need to cut it out.
Rosalie agreed.
Yeah.
Rosalie agreed.
Diamond want to jump on that box without a problem.
Derrick, we don't want to give me 40 days and 40 days.
Whoa, we're happy over here. Actually, we're happy. And then the man say Derrick from nowhere and little Maka could have clocked them. Number one song, a 1 million we are going soon. They can't happy. Done done.
Derrick, we run, come here and say, Jesus Christ. Derrick and Maka followed already? Yeah, man.
I that them want and they not see that Diamond, them want that them not see that. Them are trying to make
Nobody make your Maka follow, Derrick. Nobody give them their release. Nobody make your Maka follow.
you bad?
Nobody give them no release. I say, guys.
Them all drop down.
One eat for pasta.
Diamond them play the time upside, you know.
Yeah, you cut
Listen
that
to that,
Derrick.
guys.